Hey everybody, it's Kim with Jolie Noire. Welcome back to our vlog. And I just got done filming content for YouTube and for Instagram. So I have a great video for you guys that's coming out. All of this stuff is included in that, like all the essential pieces, like you got your t-shirts and your dresses and all of that kind of stuff like that. So y'all are I think you're gonna really love that video, because if you're looking, because I've gotten a lot of questions about where to find essential pieces, and so that video is going to help you out. I think you should take pen and paper and take all the notes. Being that I'm a wardrobe stylist, I was like, well, let me flex that muscle a little bit. As far as sharing all of that information, I'd never mind sharing information. So if you guys ever have questions, always comment them below. That's fine. But as far as like putting it in one centralized place, because someone on one of my platforms on TikTok, she asked me if I had a video that shared where to get essential pieces, and I was like, you know what, I don't, and I'm a wardrobe stylist, and I should have that. And so that's why I did that, and I put shoes in there and the whole nine. So you guys check that out. I'm going to show you guys a couple of pieces real quick. Some of my favorite pieces. Like, this is my favorite. Like, I got this from Banana Republic. I love Banana Republic because they are they go up to plus size. They go to size 20. And so this is a pleated, like you can wear it off the shoulder or up, and it's so pretty and it's gorgeous. So I really do love this. I think this is essential because everybody has something at some point that they're going to need to get dressed up for, and having separates is super important. You can wear it with skirts and pants, and you can even do it with jeans. So I love that. So yeah, so stay tuned for that video. We have to get it edited up, and it's gonna be right out.
That looks like that would be good.
Good,
yeah.
Doesn't it?
It looks nice and red. Oh, and then they have a nice selection.
You want to tally up?
Yeah.
You want one of these?
What's that? Oh, pineapple. Oh, it looked like the coconut or whatever that is up there.
You want like those, or you want two of these?
What you pointed at?
Like that?
Oh, yeah. Let's get pineapple. More pineapple.
Just all pineapple?
Yeah.
Go over to the bananas. No.
Okay. Yeah.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Happy birthday, cover my God. Happy birthday. God has been faithful.
Hey guys, so I just got my hair cut at Lamandy Studios here in Atlanta. Y'all, it has so much body in it. I am so glad to have gotten my hair cut again because, why am I looking over here? Because I'm tired of my hair getting cut off, or caught up in the jacket parts of my jackets. And I just really like my short bob. So, yeah, I really love it. It's cute. A girl by the name of Kelsey did it, and she did a really great job. And yeah, what are you talking about? And so yeah, it's really cute, and I love it. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. What is that? Oh. Oh, wait, really?
That's how it sounds.
Oh. We've had that? Oh, yeah, there's spaghetti sauce. That's right. So I guess you want to try those, huh?
I think I'd rather try this.
Really? Why? Because it looks like what we made at the pasta class? Y'all, Kim is obsessed with pasta classes, any type of something class, cake baking class, or is it the cake making class?
No, cake decorating.
Cake decorating.
Surprise.
Cake decorating. She loves all these. She loves all these classes, but it's fun. It keeps us having something to do other than Pilates and yogurt. Oh, your workout class is fine, but that's the trendy thing to do. Oh, really? That particular pasta or that brand?
They have that kind. That's what.
Yeah, it's that particular pasta. Okay, well, they got this kind too. Let's get it and let's go,
You want
booty.
this one?
Yeah. That's the one that we get?
No, this isn't what we get. We got that one over there.
Yeah.
I think we get this one. What do you
Okay, because we've gotten that before.
think? Have we?
Yeah, we've gotten that one before.
Perfect.
I think actually it was our first time getting it at the counter that last time.
No, well, yeah, us walking.
Oh, yeah, that's right, because I usually pick it up.
Okay, the 15.
Hey guys, so we are home and in for the night, and I'm in Kim's room, so yeah. But just kind of listening to some music, some worship music, and she's kind of washing up some extra dishes that she had from some vegetables that she was cutting up. But yeah, I'm loving my hair. Lamandy Studios here in Atlanta, Georgia. Kelsey did a really good job cutting my hair, and I love it. Yeah, cute bob for the summer. Not summer yet, but I think I'm gonna keep my hair to the summer. Yeah, I am.